Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely standard battery range, has the max trailer tow package, and taking a look at the back here, we do get the tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, we get the bed camera as well as the tailgate step, the nice Lightning logo, extended gripped running boards, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera, a nice place to plug in your vehicle. And move to the front there, we got that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the lip there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo storage, hooks and doodads. You got a light, your escape, with a bunch of outlets for your Power Onboard, and more storage over here with a mobile charging cable. To close, I'm just gonna hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, cup holders and storage, rear vents with some outlets, plenty of door space in the back with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we have a mostly power driver's seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 142 kilometers. Got that nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We have our distance to empty with our battery, around 150 kilometers left, digital speedometer, we have my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, those collapsible storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your center console with tons of more storage underneath, trailer brake, Protrailer assist with dual climate and heated front seats, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below. On the dash, with your hazards and traction, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, including your bed camera. We got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, your phone controls. We also get our navigation here as well. Pretty easy to use, have your audio open at the same time. Vape apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard, charge settings, drive modes, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06538, and you can head on a PG Ford or give us a call.